Sell them out. Sell them out. Sell them out.
Shit, what they bring? What they
Nah, get one. Sell them.
Ooh,
Get two. Get two. Get two. Bomb. Sell them. That is right there.
Yo, we brothers, we a band of brothers. Yeah, we brothers, but it's crazy. We can slay each other and never think to love us.
Shit, that goes right there.
Hell no, bro.
Hell no, you got me fucked up.
Yeah, no fear to have it's cool, but you saying doing what I gotta do? That ain't the move. See, we always seem to have a point to prove.
Lost that shit. Fuck. Man, I don't got shit for that nigga, man. Fuck. Take your ass with
The real problem come through when that point to prove fell to move. Now check the view. Y'all ain't listening to me. I said now check the view.
He do this shit all the time. Every time he lose a little bit of money, his whole ass wanna go, grab the gun and shit. Man, I ain't worried about none of that shit he talking about.
Oh shit.
Have you ever realized when you take a life, that's a baby in a lady's eyes?
Chris, somebody help me, Chris, somebody call the police, Chris!
And you just made a sick and tired, let her up a cliff and drop her off the side just to sing the saddest lullaby.
Chris, somebody help me!
Tears feel like ocean tide. I wish he had the appetite to swallow pride. I wish we never left for separate rides. It's mad if I can't multiply. Now I gotta sit and try to sympathize. Gotta sit and tell this lady lies like, it'll be alright. No, it ain't. What you think? Life was hard, but it got harder on that bitter day.